Hey guys, it's me, Cleo, and today I'm joined with... what we're going to do is, I think it's called Slime Pet Peeps. I'm not totally sure, but I'll call this video Slime Pet Peeps. Like this video, subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos like this one. Why would you want to? The first Slime Pet Peep is... Oh, I've got a bit of slime stuck to me. My dress. Is acting like it's not sticky, but it is. So I'm gonna use the slime for this. I don't really have any very sticky, very sticky slime, so I just got this one, which is a teeny bit sticky, and it gets all sticky. A bit sticky. It's only a teeny bit because I didn't activate it properly earlier, because I have to activate it sometimes because I left it in the sun. I leave it normally in. I never know where the sun's going to go in the morning, so yeah. I've left it in the
morning.
Huh?
Yeah, the morning.
I don't know what she's on about, but it's okay. Lola,
What?
for the next slime, Peppy, is the foam bead slime. Will you get it for me? And put this one back for me.
It's there.
I know, will you get it and put this one away for me?
What's the foam bead slime?
The blue one. That one. Right, can you thingy this? Put that, shut the lid and take it over there for me. Thank you. So this one is acting like mostly no foam beads come out of it. So let me just get this kind of does have foam beads coming out when you... Oops. Got them all over.
Guys, when she first showed me this slime, I loved it, but because she's got like more slime, the blue one, I like that one the best now, and this one's turning into
but my blue one's a teeny bit sticky.
We always go outside with our slime.
Yeah, I know. Right, I've got it all over, so just quickly will you get all the foam beads back in the slime for me?
Oh my gosh, I'm not your seven.
I know, just for this video you are. But next one is foam bead slime, which is very, very hard. You've only got a certain amount of a teeny bit of foam bead, not like up there. Foam bead slime. You've only got a little bit of foam bead slime, but you've got loads of foams in them. And that was very hard. And
I'm just
really
playing with them. Why
Stop.
foam beads?
Yes, I did keep it in this slime thing, but I bought this one. It wasn't like this one.
You made it, didn't you?
No, not this one.
Oh yeah, you got that one. You ordered that one.
Very...
Oh, where's it gone?
Oh, it's so hard.
Guys, I'm just in the background, like playing with trying to find it.
Slime, which is like very
Messy.
smelly, and it feels very hard, but it actually stretches. I'm gonna try and stretch
Like
this.
this one stretches.
Oh, it's
And I
very...
just dropped a bead out of it again, so I'm making myself tiny.
But doesn't it's
Basically.
very hard to stretch, and it's very
I'm
pretty,
trying to
and
get
it
this in the
stings.
tub.
Wait, just pop it in the bag.
Ow.
Just like thinking it. I know the dolly dries and... Hello?
Oh, you're not doing the video, are you?
Yeah. It's okay. What? Lolly, you just hack to the camera a second. She needed the cover, so. Thank you.
Sorry guys if that really...
Yeah. So next slime is pretend that hard slime is very, very soft, and this is very hard. So pretend that it's slime, but it's actually like just very hard, wet thing. So this is how they go. They go. Oh, it's very pokey. Oh my god, look how pokey and stretchy this is. Yeah, I'm sick of this one already. So will you go put that back up there?
Oh, that's alright.
It doesn't even go back together.
What did I just do?
So, oh, can I use your slime for this one? Oh, this is the kind of good bit. This one. This is how it came. Very fluffy. Very stretchy.
That one's mine because she let me keep them, and it's in the tub. So yeah,
Yeah, she's using this giant tub for that teeny little bit. So can I use your slime for this bit? This one is not very much slime, but when you pretend it's like very good and like just good. When you like try and stretch it super quick and say, oh my god, this is super good and stretchy. Oops.
But guys, if you do it slow, it's very stretchy.
Oh my god, listen to the poke.
No, this is not how you poke it.
I know, you poke it like... I'm going to look if you go very slow. You can stretch it very good. So you can take that. So this is the end of the video. Bye.